Imagine your computer is unable to turn on. You are desperate, have no idea about computer hardware, and have to go to an expert to get it repaired. The expert can properly service the PC, but at the same time, there is also an incentive to charge for parts or working hours that would not be necessary. Computer repairs are an example for a so-called credence good. The main characteristic is that the seller has more information than the buyer. The buyer is also not able to determine, even after the purchase, whether she has received the product in the required quality or whether she needed the product at all. Therefore, the seller has a strong incentive to cheat on the buyer. Examples include repairs of all kinds, taxi rides, doctor visits, financial advice, and many more. In this experiment, we tried to determine the effect of customers' insurance coverage in repair markets. We manipulated computers and brought them to more than 60 repair shops with the identical problem. In one role, the undercover customer revealed that her insurance company will cover the repair costs, whereas in the other role, she did not mention the insurance. Our results show that prices for repairs increased by 80% if customers have insurance for repair costs. This increase is mainly due to overprovision of parts and fraudulent overcharging of working time. The resulting damage done to insurance companies and the whole economy is sizable. With experiments like this, we examine the behavior of sellers for designing interventions that can improve human behavior in these credence goods markets.